Hey guys, I'm getting a lot of questions on how you can integrate your custom thank you page into your WebinarJam, and today I'm going to teach you that. For example, this is your webinar. Let's click Edit and then Full Configuration. And once you are in your webinar settings, just click the Thank You tab and then click the Edit under Default versus Custom Configuration page. So the WebinarJam's default is this one. But because you will be using your own custom page or your own thank you page, you just have to click this one and then paste your thank you page URL. And then just click Save. And that's it. So once people signed up to your webinar, they will be redirected to your thank you page. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.